I think working at zzTakeoff and doing videos based on all the updates, I could actually lose my voice. That's how many and how often these updates come out. This is a very active development team who is placing zzTakeoff at the very top shelf software for takeoffs and estimating. Anyways, I want to show you something here. Labels. Okay, so before we do that, let's go up here and let's go to our account, our custom properties, our settings up here. And I'm going to go into custom properties. No, let's go to settings. And if I go here to takeoffs, we have auto labels. Now you can choose to label them or not, okay? But we're going to go ahead and just label them for now, okay? And I'm going to come in here, and now when I draw an area, and we come in here and we can do that, and now we have an area. So if I stop do my takeoffs, I got a property window here, and I can say, okay, hey, I want to show measurement 1, measurement 2, measurement 3. I want to show measurement names. I want to show items, and I don't even want to hide quantities. I want to make them a little bit bigger. And now let's go into the takeoff property. Oops. And let's go ahead and say measurement 2 is going to be linear. Measurement 3 could be point count. Okay. See how that's coming along here? And if you wanted to, you can, let's go label test. All right. So we have that. Now watch this. This is kind of cool. If I add a child property, let's go ahead with a material and let's go drywall. Look at that. And I can go divided by 32 and I can round up. You guys see where I'm going with this. We can have so much fun with these labels. And the neat thing is if I really like this label, I can go to properties and I can set it as a label default, okay? And I can save the takeoff as a label default. Let's say this was always going to be ceiling drywall, okay? And I'm going to say yes, and we'll go from here. Now, if I come up here and I want to right click on this and I say, hey, I want to change this to, whatever I want to change it to, it can do that. So I'm going to save this as a preset, and we'll call it ceiling drywall. All right. So now I have this preset that I can use for ceiling drywall, so it'll pull up those labels. But also here, every time I do a new area, let's just go ahead and copy this and paste. And now let's do a new takeoff. It's going to give us that same information when I get done. I guess I have to come in here and show labels. Where is that? Right here. Sorry about that. Come in here and show label, and it's going to copy that preset that was assigned to it. And if I want to hide label, I can go ahead and hide label just by clicking on that, doing that. So pretty darn cool what those labels can do for you. I think a lot of people, when they're sending stuff out to the field, and let's say they're going to do the drywall here, let's show label. Now they know they need to place 30 sheets of drywall in that garage. If they're going to put drywall here, we're going to place 16 sheets into that building. All right, so that's labels. And remember, up in our custom section, our account, we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go to the personal settings. Now this does not apply to this, okay? And there's more fun stuff. We'll kind of get into that later on the videos, but you can enable section level takeoffs, skip existing takeoff prompts from the templates. We have some people that have been asking for that, and skip the existing takeoff prompt for lists. But in the personal settings, you can go ahead and apply labels. Oh, let's do a linear. Let's have some fun. I haven't done a linear yet. Let's go ahead, do a linear, boom. And now I want to increase that probably. So let's go to properties and let's make the font size bigger. Let's change the background color. Let's change the opacity, and let's change the text color to yellow. That's pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. This is a phenomenal level jump for us, not just on labels, but this whole May of 2026 feature update. All right, have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you for watching.